In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register Sendwave in Kenya 2025, step by step. Before we start, make sure you have a stable internet connection and space on your phone. We'll also use a trusted VPN to help the app appear in your store. Always follow local laws and the app's terms of service when using a VPN. Begin by installing a reputable VPN app from your store. Options like Proton VPN or Windscribe are well known and easy to use. Once installed, open the VPN and connect to a server in the United States. Wait for the connection to show as active before moving on. This helps the App Store show the correct listing. Now open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. If Sendwave doesn't appear when you search, clear your store cache or switch your store region to the USA if that's available on your device. A quick restart of the store app after clearing can also help refresh the listing. Search for Sendwave and install it. When the installation is complete, open the Sendwave app. On the welcome screen, tap Sign Up to begin creating your account. Enter your full legal name exactly as it appears on your ID. This helps with verification later. Next, enter a valid email address that you can access, since it may be used for account recovery and important updates. Tap the flag icon next to the phone field to open the country list. Use search or scroll to select the correct country code, then enter your Kenyan phone number. Make sure this number can receive SMS and double check for typos to avoid verification issues. You'll see a prompt asking where you're sending first. Tap that, choose the country you plan to send to, and proceed. You may then see a checkbox for agreeing to terms or confirming you're of legal age. Read it, check the box, and continue by tapping Sign Up. Sendwave will send a verification code to the phone number you provided. When the code arrives, enter it exactly as shown. If you don't receive it right away, wait a moment, confirm network coverage, and request a new code only if needed. Never share verification codes with anyone. Next, create a secure PIN. Enter your chosen PIN, tap Create PIN, then re-enter the same PIN to confirm and tap Confirm PIN. Choose something memorable but not easily guessed and keep it private. You should now see a message confirming your account has been created. From here, you're ready to explore the app, set up your profile, and get comfortable with the interface before making your first transfer.